Ang weather ngayon dito sa amin, grabe. Kaninang umaga kaya pala nakakatamad gumising kasi ang lamig-lamig na. Nakakatamad ng gumising ngayon, guys. So, the weather is lazy today. We got snow this morning, but now it stopped already. But still have snow on the ground, and in the top of the trees, the branches, we still have snows on the trees. But good thing I don't have work today, so I just we're just staying at home because it's kind of lazy to go out. It's cold outside, so yeah, it's a lazy day because of the snow this morning. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how it's look like outside, guys. But the snow stopped already, so yeah, I have a lot to do in the bedroom. So many trash. I need to check all my clothes because it's winter already, so it's getting cold already. It's cold already, and I need to grab all the things that for winter clothes. So I'm gonna hide all the summer stuff already and take out all the winter stuff because it's cold already. Oh my god, it's cold, guys. So I have a lot to do too. Here it's a mess over here, but anyways, I'm gonna show you how it's look like outside, guys. It's still snow on the ground. So guys, trinay ko i-film dito sa taas. Mahirap, ayaw mag-focus ng camera ko. So baba tayo, tingnan natin kung ano itsura sa labas, kasi kahit nag-stop na yung snow, malamig pa rin, guys. Malamig sa labas. So yan, guys, yung itsura. May mga snow pa sa taas. Natin kung may zoom ng konti. Yan yung snow sa kahoy. And meron yung snow din sa bubong. Sa baba, nagsipaglaglagan yung mga dahon. Yan. Yan. So, yun. Malamig. So, nagluto pala, guys, si Danang chicken. Linagay niya lang sa oven. And then, that's how it look like the chicken. And then, he cook rice too. But the rice is not ready yet. So, we're gonna eat it with rice. How it tastes? Good?
Chicken tastes like chicken. The skin's got some flavor.
Yeah? Don't eat it.
Can't stop me.
He already starting eating it. Oh my god. You cannot wait till the rice is done. Yan si Dan. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin niya. What are you trying to do? Hot sauce?
Gotta taste stuff.
Oh my god. Seriously? Guys, a bunch of hot sauce. Damn. Wala, ang daming hot sauce.
Yeah, watch out.
Guys, look at it. Look at it. Tingnan mo yung ginawa ni Dan.
Hold on. We're doing a taste test.
Oh my god. We're doing a what?
Taste test. Ooh, I don't even know if I want to try this. This is not good.
The Valentine.
It's like...
I think it's been a while, so I think that's probably bad already.
Maybe. It's soaked in vinegar.
Yeah, so we're gonna go taste this. Okay, we're gonna film it.
This
Okay?
stuff probably is years old.
Yeah, I remember I bought it a long time ago. So that's not good, and that's not good enough. That's not good anymore.
The only thing written on it says 2023.
2023?
Yeah, it might be good for it. It's in vinegar.
Okay, let's throw it in the
I
hot
never
sauce.
liked Valentina though.
So let's throw it in the hot sauce though.
It smells good, but it's just not good. I don't know why. I mean, you got Tabasco. We're not doing Tabasco. That's definitely a different style.
So we have to slice the chicken smaller, honey.
Oh, what makes you think that we're using chicken?
I think we're gonna using the chicken to dip it and taste it. Oh, I don't have a bunch of hot sauce, guys. I'm filming myself. So many hot sauce. We'll see. Good luck. Who's gonna be win? Dan or Christine?
I don't think it's really a competition. This is about flavor.
That is about flavor. Okay, fine. It's
I
about.
doubt any of these are hot.
I forgot. Where did we get that?
This was a Walmart gift thing.
Oh yeah, for Joe. Okay. Is this actually now use it? All of that?
He only tried 2 of them.
2 of them. So ready na kami, guys, mag-taste the hot sauce.
Did you say test taste?
Yes. How do you say it?
Oh my god.
So we're ready to taste all the hot sauce that we have. Oh, I forgot what it is. Take 2. So guys, we are ready to taste all the hot sauce that we have at home. So then it's ready. I keep eating the chicken.
Leave me alone.
So guys, we're done on testing. I can't say it right. Testing all the hot sauce that we got at home. And some of them, they're not too bad. Some of them, they're like...
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I mixed them all together. Here you go.
Oh no.
It might be hot. It's definitely dangling.
Okay.
Get a bunch.
Mmm. Ah, hot and sour.
That one's the sour one messes you up.
But actually, it tastes good. Give me one more spiced chicken. We'll mix it better, honey. Ang daming hot sauce, guys. Oh.
I'm gonna grab the 3 that you liked.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the 3 hot sauce that I like. Has more flavor. It's hard to grab it all. So, but
Hey, none of that.
I'm not breaking it. So these, I love it. So I'm keeping that. This one too. What's this? Red pepper sauce, hot sauce. So that one, honey.
I'm gonna try verbalizing this.
And also this one is a good. It has a good flavor. Shara Hanabero hot sauce. It's a very good flavor.
Ooh, that came out quick.
So those are really good. And done testing. Taste.
Wow.
Done tasting.
What is that?
Hot sauce. What is it?
I know that flavor. When you make enchilada sauce, the peppers you get for that, forgot their name. It tastes like those.
Is it?
Yeah. Red cayenne peppers, vinegar, of course, spices, blah, 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 blah.
So guys, yan ang problema ko. Puno na kasi yung... Maliit lang kasi yung cabinet ko. So, hindi ko na siya madagdagan ng damit. O kahit na inayos ko na yun noon, kasi sobrang dami na. Hindi na masarado yung pintuan ng closet. Kaya puno na siya. Kaya, hiningal ako pag akyat ng hagdanan. So, yun ang problema ko guys. Hindi ko na mailagay yung ibang damit ko kasi puno na siya kahit doon sa kabila. Puno na rin yun doon sa kabila yung mga nakahanger. Tsaka yung iba kong purse sa taas. Kaya, that's my problem. So yun nga yung, ano ba tawag doon, yung pinunta namin sa IKEA like a week ago. Kasi para tumingin ng closet ko nga, yung armoire na tinatawag ba nila yun. Para, palitan na nga to. Kasi luma na rin to, sira na sa likod niya. Parang na yung yung likod ng wall na tiklap na ba. So kailangan ko ng palitan yan. Kaya lang nung pumunta kami sa IKEA, wala kaming nakitang yung closet or arm wall na tinatawag ba nila yun. Closet na type ko. Gusto kong closet yung yung color niya white, tsaka may maraming cabinet para pwede kong ilagay yung mga girly yung mga anik-anik natin, katulad ng mga maliliit natin bag, yung mga pwedeng isiksik pa. So ayun guys, so yun ang problema ko, punong-puno na yung closet ko, maliit lang kasi yung cabinet ko. Kaya ayun, wala kami makita sa IKEA na style na gusto ko. Kaya hindi kami nakabili nung pumunta kami. So yun, yan ang problema ko, wala na ako mapaglagyan ng mga, limbawa naglaba ako, magtutupi ako ng mga damit ko, hindi ko na mailagay sa cabinet, puno na siya. So yun lang, wala tayong magawa ngayon guys. 7:45 na ng gabi, malamig pa rin, pero sa loob okay lang kasi kahit winter dito sa loob ng bahay okay lang kasi may heater naman. So pag malamig yung weather, pwede mo on yung heater sa loob ng bahay, pero pag lumabas ka guys, naku, sobrang lamig ng weather ngayon sa labas, kaya yun, nakakatamad lumabas. So dito ko na i-end ang ating vlog. Walang masyadong ganap sa ngayon. Nanonood ako ng horror movie sa Netflix. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and kita-kita na lang tayo ulit sa next video ko. Bye everyone!